Hello guys, welcome back to VClass. This is teacher Jackie, and for today we are going to start a new segment which is actually fast question, fast answer. So I have here a question from Tyron asking me how to make lines in poems rhyme. So it's very important to take note that poem is a kind of literary composition na mayroong sukat at mayroon ding mga elements na dapat i-consider. One of these things that you have to consider is the line that would end in rhymes. So if you are going to ask me how to do that, it simply means that you have to choose your words wisely. So dapat ay mayroon tayong tamang kaalaman sa paggamit ng mga words. It means that we should have a very expanded vocabulary para maganda yung maging choice of words natin para sa isang gagawing poem. So that is if we are going to write our own poem. So for you, Tyron, you just have to explore more words para mayroon tayong magagamit na rhyming words at the end of each line. It's not only the words that should rhyme at the end of the lines, pero dapat din ay binibilang din natin yung pantig or yung tinatawag nating beat ng bawat linya ng ating poem. It's very good if we are going to count the beats for each line. So talaga la 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 la. And then if those words would rhyme. So for example, if the end of the first line is cry, then maybe in the second line you could have shy. Those words are rhyming words. So you have to carefully choose the words that you are going to use. So I hope that it has answered your question, Tyron. If you have questions in relation to our lessons in English or even in TLE and other subjects, as long as I can help you, you can send me your questions and I'll find time to answer those questions, and or you can type it on the comment section below. Once again, this is teacher Jackie for VClass. Fast question, fast answer.